Southeast is a region in Nigeria known for its rich cultural heritage, vibrant tradition, and entrepreneurial spirit, comprising of states like Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu and Imo State. The region is predominantly inhabited by the Igbo people. Cities like Enugu, Owerri and Onitsha are major centers, each contributing to the area's economic and cultural landscape. The region boasts of mix of urban development and rural areas, with agriculture, trade and commerce playing a significant role in the local economy of the region. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys top 5 cities in Southeast Nigeria. Number 5. Abakaliki. Abakaliki is the capital city of Ebonyi State. Known as the salt of the nation, it is the youngest state capital in southeastern region of Nigeria and is one of the fastest developing state capitals in the region. This young capital city is home to the popular Abakaliki rice. Abakaliki is a very serene place with good road network, and the cost of living in this city is very low. If you are a private person and looking for a place to lay low without hurting your pocket, Abakaliki is definitely a place for you. Number 4. Onitsha. Onitsha is a city in southeastern region of Nigeria and the commercial capital of Anambra State. Onitsha is a port city and one of Nigeria's largest urban areas in terms of population. The population of the city is projected to be around 2 million. The city is home to the largest market in Africa in terms of geographical size and volume of goods. Onitsha is a hustling and bustling city and a great place for business. If you're a business-oriented person and looking for a place to start up your business, Onitsha is definitely a place for you. Number 3. Aba. Aba is one of the most commercially vibrant cities in Nigeria, located in Abia State, southeast Nigeria. Aba lies at the west bank of Aba River. The city is famous for its handicrafts, especially in the area of shoemaking, clothing, belts, bag manufacturing, among others. If you are looking for a place to learn handicrafts, Aba is definitely a place for you to go. Number 2. Owerri. Owerri is the capital of Imo State in southeastern Nigeria, popularly referred to as the Eastern Heartland. The city prides itself as the entertainment capital of Nigeria due to its high density of hotels, lounges, bars and nightclubs. Owerri is a beautifully planned city and one of the most green cities in Nigeria. If you are looking to go into hospitality business, you should look in the direction of Owerri. Number 1. Enugu. Enugu is one of the most green cities and one of the most beautifully planned cities in Nigeria. It is the capital of Enugu State and the oldest state capital in southeast Nigeria. Enugu has the most serene and breathtaking landscape in the region, making it one of the major tourist hubs in southeast. Beyond the coal that the city is known for, Enugu has one of the best social culture that make the city stand out among all the cities in southeast and Nigeria at large. If you are looking to live in a city that provides you with everything you need to raise a family, Enugu is the place for you. Have you ever visited or lived in any of these cities before? If you have, what was your experience like, and which is your favorite city? If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video.